Cincinnati, Ohio, home to Joe Burrow and the Bengals, Grater's Ice Cream, and this guy. But it is also known to have some of the best chili cheese spots in the entire United States. They call them chili parlors. I thought that was kind of funny. So today we're traveling through the heart of the city to find some of the best spots to grab the infamous chili cheese dog. Some people say my videos are cheesy. Well, guess what? This one's for you. I brought my stepdad Rick along for the ride. Being a local to the Cincinnati area and having a strong love for the topic of today's video, he's the perfect man for the job this time around. And as per usual, I'm rating each spot 1 to 10 based on service, the food itself, and the atmosphere. But before we get to try some of the absolute best chili spots in all of Cincinnati, we have to talk about something pretty important. The ongoing battle of the best chili between Skyline and Gold Star. The feud between these two chili giants started all the way back in 1965, way before young Noah came into this world. So we've got to put this one to rest. Okay, so our first stop is Skyline. We are putting an end to the debate today. Which is better, Skyline Chili or Gold Star? Let's go in there and find out. God, I'm gonna be violently ill after this. So you're saying Skyline is better than Gold Star?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna find out. A single cheese coney. Here we go. I am putting hot sauce on it. You put hot sauce on yours? Definitely.
Always.
Always. A couple years ago, I wouldn't have done the hot sauce, but a hot sauce is a must for me now, for sure. This is pretty much like the baseline that we're getting right now. It's good though, I haven't had it in forever. Okay.
And they used to have more cheese on it.
Really? I feel like there's still a lot of cheese. Couldn't really taste the onions on mine at all.
They're not really that strong.
Strong start though. Every time I drink pop, I get the hiccups. No matter how I drink it, I take one sip and I have the hiccups every single time. Yep. Pretty solid start, I would say. I haven't had Skyline in ages, but I've also never had Gold Star. So now, that is exactly where we're heading. I'm not gonna give Skyline or Gold Star a 1 out of 10 yet until we go to Gold Star first. That way it is fair, honest, and we can really truly see who has the better chili cheese coney. Let's go, baby. Drive through up until 12 a.m. They're out here late. They're doing the damn thing. We're the only people in here right now. This is great. They reserved the restaurant for us. So I told myself I was gonna try to keep it similar with what I got, but I had to get the ghost pepper cheese. Are you kidding me? With the hot sauce. True or false? Gold Star started as a hamburger spot called Hamburger Heaven. What do you think the answer is?
True.
It's true, you got it. Congratulations. Hey, thank you so much. Yep. Perfect.
With me. If you need anything else, let me know.
Thank you so much. All right, let's give this a go. Hot sauce with the ghost pepper cheese. All right, let's give this a shot here. Gold Star versus Skyline. The debate is finally over. You're about to hear it here first. Okay.
Ghost pepper cheese good?
This is good. I don't know. This is pretty solid. Skyline or Gold Star?
No, it's Gold Star.
It's Gold Star all the way?
Skyline's too runny. It's sweet. It's a little sweeter.
How many times would you say you get Gold Star? Is this a like weekly thing?
Oh.
Easy? Oh yeah. We're from like Dayton, so he's from Cincinnati, but I'm from Dayton, so we're figuring it out today. Any other good spots you guys recommend? Yep. That's the one we're going to next. Wow. Gold Star. You may have just gotten my Gold Star. Wow, wow, wow. Cracker taste test.
All the crackers and all the ones are all the same.
Yep, tastes like an oyster cracker. Destroyed. Destroyed. Okay, timeout. For the next 30 seconds of this video, I had chili on my mouth. You guys have to pinky promise me that you're not gonna look at it, okay? Promise? Okay, let's roll it. I think I have my verdict. I think Gold Star took the Gold Star, and it wasn't because of the habanero cheese. I just think the chili had more flavor. I think they put the perfect amount of cheese on there, and it was just good. So with that being said, 1 out of 10, I'm giving Skyline Chili like a 7.2. It was pretty good. Had a lot of employees working for no reason. Pretty solid, but Gold Star Chili. Probably give Gold Star a 7.8. 7.8, I feel like that's pretty fair. Camp Washington Chili closed until after Christmas. What a bunch of bums, dude. Come on, you gotta be open 24 hours all day long, every day. That's how the chili business works. So, sad day for Camp Washington Chili. Don't even get to give it a rating. You guys get an automatic 0 stars. The guy earlier at Gold Star had told us to also maybe check out US Chili, which I found out very quickly is also closed permanently. Now we are heading to Pleasant Ridge Chili. This spot came up on pretty much every single list I saw online for top chili spots in Cincinnati. But after a pretty good experience at both Skyline and Gold Star, we're really gonna have to see if any of these local places come out on top. Let's go. This is what I'm talking about. Neon sign, I feel like I'm being beckoned. They've been here for a while, 1964. Oh, the old-fashioned jukebox and everything. All right, as you can see, cheese-loaded everything. But they do have breakfast. Unfortunately, we are here for one thing and one thing only. So mustard is like the go-to then. I'm not a mustard man. I just recently became a ketchup man.
I used to work at Skyline.
Okay, all right.
I've been here 28 years.
28 years.
I feel like this.
This stands up to Skyline then pretty well? Oh, she said, all right.
If the cheese cooney's good, I'll have a 4-way.
A 4-way? What's a 4-way?
It's spaghetti, chili, onions, and cheese.
Oh no, she got us already, thank you.
5-way is with everything.
So Skyline brought our food out rapid fast. We ordered it and somebody was already walking out with our food. They're a little bit busier though than Skyline. So, oh look at that, they're out already. They're done. Almost more cheese on this one, I think.
This is usually how much cheese would be on a Skyline.
On a Skyline, okay.
They've cut back.
Cheese inflation. Hot sauce. Frank's Red Hot. Here we go. Good Lord, this is so much cheese.
Yeah.
I can taste the onion a little bit more on this one.
Really?
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Real good.
Pretty solid.
Tell me the truth.
From Skyline, it's pretty similar, I'd say. But good though, but good. I can taste the onions more than I could at Skyline.
I don't know what they did. I worked there for like 8 years, and they changed the recipe.
Yeah.
And I never liked it after that.
A lot of people didn't like the cinnamon in it.
They put cinnamon in it? In the chili? Interesting.
I have no idea.
Yeah, this is definitely the messiest eating review video so far. Price Hill Chili. Can't even get in from the front. You literally have to walk all the way into the back. Wow, we get to go underground. I think I've learned through this little venture that you can't really change a cheese coney too much.
They all taste about the same.
Pretty much the same. The only thing you can really change is like the chili. Yeah, which tells you maybe this is the one food item that you don't have to go to a family-run restaurant. Just go to Skyline, go to Gold Star, spend your $2 and stuff your face full of shredded cheese. We got different hot sauce this time. What kind is this? This is Chili Rocks. Oh, this is theirs. This may be the longest wait we're gonna have. Chili Rocks. Let's see if they have different flavors. Oh, look at that. They have different styles. They have so many different hot sauces. Inferno Reaper Nero Super Hot Sauce.
Yeah, no. Yeah, no.
It says 27 out of 10 heat. That's nothing. Here it is. This time around, we got a little toothpick. Brownie points for the toothpick and the hot sauce. I'm loading the hot sauce up on this one. I'm gonna try to like flatten this cheese out. I saw you flatten the cheese out earlier. That must be like a pro tip thing, right? Like,
Yeah, because it's easier to get.
Yeah.
I mean,
okay. Hot sauce is pretty much the same. Do these have onions in them? This is pretty on par for me with Pleasant Ridge, I think. Probably pretty on par with that one. It's pretty good though.
it's got a little pepper,
Little kick.
little kick.
Little kick.
Nice little kick. I don't know if that's the hot sauce that had the pepper taste to it, or
That might be a little bit better than Pleasant Ridge.
yeah, I think so.
Well, now I need to wipe my mouth off. Joey Chestnut can eat his heart out. Also, I forgot to rate these last two places. So Pleasant Ridge, good. The service was great. Shout out to our server. You were amazing. I'm giving you guys a 7.5. Just a little bit better than Skyline. Last but not least, Price Hill. They had their own hot sauce. The restaurant was huge. There was a ton of people in there. It was packed. The decor was a little bit outdated, but food was still good. Was it better than Gold Star? No, it wasn't. It just wasn't. So I'm giving Price Hill a 7.6. This is by far the closest any rankings have ever gotten in any of the restaurant review videos so far. Obviously, there was a few spots that we didn't get to hit, like Camp Washington, which was of course closed, and there was a couple others that we just didn't have time for. So with that being said, I want every single one of you guys to comment right now what you think is the very best chili in Cincinnati. I'm Team Gold Star, but I could be wrong. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm back very, very soon with another banger video. I'll see you guys later. Peace.